0 feet, begin moderate flooding. Residences near Gage threatened with some driveways under 1 to 1.5 feet of water.